We are here in Kronospan Riga seaport terminal, located 2 kilometers from our factory here in Riga, producing OSB and particle boards and melamine-faced boards. The total area of the terminal is 33 hectares with a warehousing area of more than 165,000 square meters under the roofs and storage area of more than 225,000 square meters. We will be also able to ensure deliveries of recycled wood all over Europe by the breakable vessels, and we are extremely proud that in the Riga factory we are using 100% recycled wood in our PB production.